the European Union put forward the European Green Deal at the end of 2019, declaring that it will achieve net zero emission by 2050.
80 to 85% of marine litter is plastic, and 50% of it is disposable products.
While most countries in the world are talking about a goal of net zero transformation in 2050, Taiwan certainly cannot keep out of the affair.
Especially the restrictions on single-use plastic products will cause trade barriers, so we have to do something about it.
In response to the increasing demand in the global market for recycling plastic waste, POLYSTAR has developed a 3-in-1 shredder integrated recycling machine with high energy saving, efficiency, and production capacity. And through highly intelligent synchronous feeding drive control technology, it can effectively save energy by more than 25%. As for the innovation of the filtration system, we implement an automatic back-flush filtration system. This unique melt flow channel design and segmented clock control technology, the quality of the pellets produced by this machine are superior to other suppliers in the industry. The speed of the pelletizing blade is automatically adjusted and controlled by the pressure of the die. It can produce recycled pellets with uniform size and high quality. Also, with the improvement of the patent automatic pelletizing system, it can increase the production efficiency by more than 30%. In addition, POLYSTAR is also committed to the complete circular economy supply chain by developing and manufacturing blown film machines which can process recycled materials.
One of the advantages of Taiwanese machinery manufacturers is our adaptabilities, design, and integration capabilities. Taking our own HCI as an example, we have installed more than 4,000 machines in more than 108 countries in past 40 years. Our core value is to be able to design and manufacture customized machine for our clients to overcome the bottleneck encountered in its production. In flexible packaging, especially food applications, multi-layer film of different material are usually used to make packaging bags. Packaging material needs innovation. In response to this goal, material manufacturers have developed a single material multi-layer film. For example, the BOPE. We cooperated with the PIDC to quickly modify the mechanism design and control systems so that it can perform better bag making operations with the new generation film. Hygiene, medical care, safety, we need high quality packaging. Until there is no more suitable alternative, we cannot do without plastic packaging for the time being.
The implementation of circular and green manufacturing processes will be the main goal of our future development.
Use recycled or recyclable material as much as possible. Design and manufacture more durable machines so that the service life will be increased and it is equivalent to reducing the carbon emissions. As a manufacturer of converting equipment for flexible packaging industry, HCI will strive to develop green technology.
In 2022, our direction will be based on the need of customers and continue to move toward highly automated and intelligent manufacturing. Let's work for a beautiful
and sustainable life together.